Homework 5, Unit 3, Intervideo, Gloria Sofía Rodríguez Campos. Good morning, my name is Angel, and I will be interviewed. What is your name? What vacancy did you apply for? Good morning, my name is Sofía Rodriguez, and I have come to apply from the vacancy for operations supervisor. Very happy, Sophia. Will you allow me curriculum and we will start with an interview. What can you tell me about yourself? I am 21 years old and future mother who has some difficulties in life to be able to study. I am someone who learns quickly and does not need much training. Someone who is able 24/7 hours and usually I give more priority to work. What are your life goals? To be able to pursue my career according to knowledge, to be an independent woman capable of giving my son a better life. What are your strengths? I have knowledge related to vacancy and learn quickly. Why do you want to work in this company? Because I have the opportunity to be promoted according to your job, performance, and knowledge. Why should we hire you? I am quick learner and do need much training. I am open to feedback. How much do you want us to pay you? The salary corresponding to my profession and I am minimum. Why did you leave your previous job? Because it generated tension and it was early for my pregnancy. Why are you interested in the position? I am more qualified for this position and have to foundation to learn more. May we ask for reference about you from your previous job? Yes, you can call me quickly supervisor. He is not my friend and he is the who will jungle my work performance. Thank you, Sophia. You can wait in the on-site room. In a few moments, we will come you to confirm in the position in yours. Thanks, Angel. I wait for you call outside in the room. Nice to meet you.